Wow, Sinatra. Sinatra.
Welcome to Neutral Vibes. Guess what? They're all the way in Canada today now. Yeah man, but they're truck yard. And you hear what? Just to show you about the life of some Caribbean people, Jamaican, Grenadian, Guyanese. But actually come to Canada for work. We want to see if it tasks better than work at the Caribbean, you know. You understand? So we'll be checking on the task if Canada is actually better than Jamaica. So just stay tuned with me. Gonna enjoy the little vlog, yeah? Yeah man. Nice place man. Just stay tuned, watch the content, you know? Yeah man, Neutral Vibes in Canada. As I said before, we're actually at the truck yard. We're changing a flex pipe. And we are going to walk you through the intricacies of this process. Yeah man. It may seem very simple, but it's a very intricate job that requires a lot of knowledge. Trucking very important over Canada, yeah. You see me? As it relates to transportation, connecting states to state, you know, but in this case, dump truck. Canada is one of those places where a whole heap of housing development are going on, you know, and from time to time we actually move dirt, sand, gravel. But in all of this, maintenance of these vehicles is very essential. Yeah, so earlier on we went at a trucking shop. We get the flex pipe, nice flex pipe, and also the clamp then. Yeah man, trust me, people always about say Jamaica expensive. You need to experience Canada. People don't see how they're sitting there flake out. Really not good, you know. Old Mack truck. There you have couple truck. Yo, this place is as hot as Jamaica, may I tell you. And we are change oil on the truck here, you know, or just doing a little top up. Yeah man. Right back on me, old Mack, them say can't done, you know? Can't go wrong if you go Mack man. On the engine man, over 20 odd years of operation, still strong. We have the next 20 years left in it. Yeah man. Come for buy some gloves and something to deal with the work. Yeah man. Nice. Yeah man. It's a store on wheels. Yeah, Jamaican too?
No, I'm a Ghanaian. Ghana.
Oh, Ghana.
Mother Africa. You see what Hunter say?
Okay.
What you say?
So most of we Jamaicans really come from Ghana too, you know?
I know.
Yeah. You like it here?
Right now at my age, I wish I was back. When you're young, you know, you feel good, but
Right.
as you grow,
So you feel back home is better than here?
yeah, when you age.
Oh, when you age.
Yeah.
So how long have you been here?
About 37 years.
Oh, Jesus. Before I was born.
I came here as a young man, eh?
That's maybe 87 thereabout.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1987.
Wow.
Mm,
Young man.
you're a boy, eh? It was better back then than now. Better back then than now.
Yeah.
So what really changed over the years?
That's what the word goes.
Okay.
They will listen up, eh?
Yeah, but this one's too pretty, man. It's gonna get dirty real
Yeah,
fast.
what are you gonna do? Yeah, I was really looking for the pair of this year.
Can't find it.
Yeah, it might be someone hiding somewhere.
One, the rubber one, them.
This one here?
Yes, yeah.
What's your size though?
Give me large.
Thanks for stopping by, man. Yeah, man. And all the best when you go back to Ghana.
Oh,
I would love to go there to try the bush meat.
the bushmeat?
Yeah, that's the nicest part of Africa.
All kinds of bushmeat. My fish and stuff like that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I like my fishes and stuff.
All right,
like that.
pleasure meeting you. Your name?
Alex.
Alex. Okay, I thought you had an African name.
Oh, Kweku.
Kweku.
Yeah,
What does that mean?
Born on Wednesday.
Bon-
Wednesday. I was born on Wednesday.
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Pleasure.
What day were you born?
I was born on a Sunday.
So you're Kwesi.
Kwesi.
Yeah, in Africa,
All right.
Kwesi.
All right. All right. I'll remember that one. All right. Big up. All right.
Yeah, get more light.
Junkyard. Warehouse. So-
Here, I watch it. If you broke what in.
Jano.
Jump last night,
In here, so we have all the mechanism where we use for service the truck them. You see me? Socket set is a must in a trucker's life, you know. Can't go out without a socket set. And what would trucking be without liquor? You see me? Smirnoff Heineken. Yo, the man then drink hard. Work hard, play hard. Yo, no life no day yard like you, so man. Yo, you think Jamaican drink more than Canadian? Yeah, man, them drink this in a one day. Yo, nice, man.
We're gonna see Ronnie so yet, you know.
Holy heap thing. Have everything here, so from oil to compressor to clamp and drill. You are the biggest spanner this me ever see. Man, grease gun. Back a yard when I use them. Technology no reach yard yet still, you see me? We still we still have a little pump up gun where you whine and squeeze, you know? You see me? We don't have them in your yard, man. Yeah, man. May I tell you, but everything there to ensure the machine is well oiled and operating, functional, you know? Yeah, man. Simple place, but it have everything to ensure say work go on and everything is done in a timely and efficient manner. If truck no service you gonna broke down, you know, same like how if you don't have good food you gonna broke down. Same thing, you know. Yeah, man. All heap of people come to Canada and think say Canada easy, life easy. Jesus Christ, one of the hardest life you gonna have. You have to work hard. Sunburn you same way. Yeah, man, sunburn you same way, man. Come here, sweat. Think of you so cool and nice. Nah, man, sunburn you same way. You work hard and you have to pay your bills. Yo, living take away all of your money. You can work a $4,000, $5,000 a month. And at the end of the day, you have to pay $125 for rent, food have to buy. You have transportation fee, gas, everything. Plus you have to pay for parking. Yo, trust me. It's not really a bed of roses. You just have to come and see what's going on over here, man. Many people really left Jamaica for a better life. Yeah, you can get a better life over here, but you have to put in the work. Whole heap of work, whole heap of work. Shut man, them are coming. Yo, whole heap of work. What are them man back at me? Have family and sitting. Sat there. Them should have lie down with wife. Attend to pitney. They are chuck yard a service it, man. Ensure so the economy keep going, you know? Yeah, man. It's not an easy road, trust me. Yeah, man. Compare life here, so. Compare life at Jamaica. Yo, when I just come, I think money that drop off a tree. But it's the opposite. It's the opposite, trust me. You have to work 5 times as hard as when you're there in Jamaica, you see me? Yeah man, whole heap of repairs and inside them beasts here, you know? Well, truck work is a whole heap of work though. You don't have time for family. Eh? Oh, you make time when you work hard. Yo, Kurt said no, no family, you know? Yo, when you don't work so hard, how do you get time for family?
I know.
Eh? When you get whole heap of bun?
I know.
Eh?
Whole heap of focus.
Right?
Bun.
Boy, may I tell you, man.
One girl tell me about spend time.
Eh?
And the time can pay bills, you know.
Oh, yeah. True.
I want to spend time.
Yeah.
The fuck and after that, what happened?
So woman want money, woman want time.
You understand? So you gotta work
Can't
on
have both.
You can't have both.
no work, no money.
Yeah. You can't have both at all.
No honey.
Yo, so on the prefer Yassa or on the prefer back at home?
I would go back home if I have the money.
If you have the money.
Here I have lots of opportunities.
Okay.
The opportunity is here, but
Boy.
if I have the money, I can't back.
So technically right here so better.
Have it upside down.
Yo, I would come here for the money, you know.
Yeah, well, that's what it is.
I would come here for the money.
The money, yeah.
But sometimes I notice when you left yard and come here, you just get caught up in our maze where you walk.
Yeah, that's what it is.
And can't go back home.
Back in the Caribbean,
Uh-huh.
to stay home with woman because you know back home is different.
Yeah.
Over here, nah, boy. You live on the street. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, bro. You can make it here, but you gotta put your mind there.
Yeah.
You know, some people work 7 days,
Yeah.
day and night.
Mm-hmm.
Day and night. Yeah, man.
Me see how my uncle run, man. Every day.
Yeah. And I work day and night. I go there, sleep in the truck, take a
Sure,
shower,
no.
go back to work, make time. Yo, I don't even know how I do it myself. I swear, sometimes I don't even know how I do it.
That's still there, that's right.
Keep it back and soft. Now the control is here, right? Keep my body level, otherwise it's fucking backward.
In my truck, that's what you see out.
Yeah, make a...
Oh, in Jamaica we run truck like 80 yard. You
Yeah,
see
I
me?
know, I know.
Them all international.
Yeah, I know.
And them strong, you know.
They're stronger than this though.
Oh gosh, man.
They're stronger than this as well.
This have one next maybe 50, 60 years.
Right. You see the kind of run we run here. Back
Yeah.
in the Caribbean, they don't run like that. The
Huh?
distance.
Oh, the distance. Yeah, yeah.
You know, the amount of miles you might put on a day on a week,
But,
you guys don't put
hey, you know, you guys don't load trucks though.
No, we can't.
Yo, when we load it,
I see.
you know, way
Right
up in
up
the
in the-
air.
yo,
And the man them reinforce the chassis, you know, the well more metal. Yeah.
Yo, you do that here, you're going to prison for life.
Really?
Most definitely. They'll
Yo.
lock you up and show your license for life.
Yo, when me say when I load truck here, so me say you're a joke thing that man. If you're there in a Jamaica man say that them cuss you say you're a thief him, you're not giving him the right load, you know?
Same thing back home too, same thing. Yeah, but you can't do that here. bro.
Yeah.
No, here is different, bro. You can't do that shit.
Pick up the grenade and them, you know? Yo, you see as me I telling you before, so we have some of our Caribbean Virgin them here, so. Man from Grenada, man from Guyana too. Man, they must say, yo, over here hard. You have to work hard same way, you know? But it's not a bed of rose at all. Not a bed of rose, you know? Yeah, man. So, I go check back my family over our next part, yeah. Yeah, man. Toronto edition, you know? Canada edition. Yeah, man. Eh? Wire brush? Where in I chuck? Oh, so you sitting there with trick with too? Yeah, so we just put on the new flex pipe. Looking new, looking good. Yeah, man, big up for the real truck mechanic, you know. Him say I first time, but I lie him a tell me, you know. This can't be a first time job and so neat. Not even clamp them no go on yet, you know. Nice.
What? Issue.
Simple solve that man. I don't know. Want more of that? Canel a bit of water for that.
How's it all run?
Yeah, so the flex pipe almost done. Jano, I believe you should have flex the whole of this. Kirkis, imagine how pretty it would look. I'll go buy some more. Yeah, man. Years of experience in a trucking do them thing, you know. Yeah, thanks for watching Neutral Vibes. Had a very good day, you know. Just a sneak peek into what really happens at a truck yard in Canada. Yeah, man. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Neutral Vibes. Big up.